Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've done a live unboxing here on YouTube, but I have a brand new brand in the store called the Rabbit Hole Designs. So the box just arrived, very excited about it. We're gonna crack it open and see these things in real life for the first time. So excited. Alrighty. Ooh, okay. First of all, I love these priority boxes that the US has. It's just amazing. I wish we had them here in Australia. Oh, okay. So I've ordered a bunch of new release, and the reason that I've chosen the Rabbit Hole Designs to stock in the store is because I see them on Instagram all the time. They crack me up. They're hilarious. And I figured if I like them, maybe you guys would like them as well. The caffeinated creatures are adorable. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Ooh, okay. Let's start with this little guy. This is Caffeinated Flamingo. There's this awesome flamingo. The fact that it has buzzy bee slippers cracks me up. And there is a symbol for caffeine. Now, the symbol for caffeine is in quite a few of the caffeinated creature sets in different sizes. So if you had a few, you could actually stamp a very cool custom background. You know what would look really cool? Brown ink on brown cardstock, tone on tone on craft. That would be so cool. So it has a few sentiments. Caffeine makes me flamazing. Hashtag flamingo fuel. Hashtag blamingo. And hashtag Flockstar. I love this one. I will layer images over the top while I'm talking and showing so you can get a really good look at these because they're so fun. They're just so fun. They're so fun. I'm so excited about having these in the shop. So if you are looking for the Rabbit Hole Designs in Australia, you can find them at dawnlewis.com.au, and there'll be a hot button on the front page so you can find it really fast. The next one is the Caffeinated Octopus. This is so cool. She's got rollers in her hair, and there's another caffeine symbol in here. It's got hashtag overcaffeinated, and caffeine gets me cracking. Yes, they went there. It's so cool. Now, if you're hearing a bit of a buzz on this, I am playing with my new camera and I haven't got the audio quite figured out yet, but trust me, I will get there, I promise. So I apologize if there's a bit of a hiss. I'll get there on the next one. I was just so excited to show this to you and try out my new camera at the same time. Alrighty, so the next one, I love this one. There is a set by Honeybee Stamps called Blah Bunny, and I think this takes it to a whole new level. There's also a set called Blah Blah Blah, and I think that would be just brilliant with any of these caffeinated creatures. This one is Caffeinated Rabbit, and we've got I'm late, time to caffeinate, hashtag hop to it, and hashtag hairly awake. It also has the caffeine symbol in there. So I love that one. I feel that on such a level some days. All right, next up. Caffeinated Unicorn. Oh my god, this is so fun. I've never seen a unicorn in this state before and I am digging it. Caffeine makes me sparkle, and hashtag magical AF, and the unicorn is wearing narwhal slippers. I know, there are all these little details that I keep finding every time I look at them, and especially I'm seeing now in real life as opposed to looking at them online. Oh, this one I love. I love this one so much. This is Caffeinated Cat. We've got, again, the caffeine symbol and this cat with bunny slippers and a mouse in her pocket. That is how much she needs her caffeine. Hashtag mum life and caffeine right meow. Now remember, because we're in Australia, we spell mum very differently. And what I recommend is if you have an M-O-M stamp, you can just mask off the top of it and turn your O into a U. You may have to do a little tweaking and extending with markers, but I think it's worth the effort because there are some really cool stamps. And why just not use them because of a different spelling? Just chop the top. Chop the top off the O and turn it into a U. All right, this one I love. This one cracks me up. This is Caffeinated Dino, and we've got, again, another caffeine symbol in a different size. Death before decaf, and I'm a T-wreck without my caffeine. And even this dinosaur's not having a great day. Toenail gone through the slipper. This face, I know that this, I identify with these faces so much. Then we have Caffeinated Fox. This one has got bunny slippers, which I think is funny. A very tiny caffeine symbol, 0 Fox, given before caffeine. I have to be very careful how I say that. Hashtag Fox it. Hashtag what does the fox say? That's getting to be an old reference now, but I still get it. Hashtag I woke up like this. This one I like. I like this one a lot. Caffeinated Fox. Oh, this one I'm excited about. If you caught my last video, it was, let me try and say this correctly, 6x6 paper pad makes 66 cards. I left a whole bunch of the cards blank because I knew I had these coming, and there is a caffeinated shark. Oh, yes. And I thought it would work really, really well with the nautical theme of the paper that I use. So I left some of the cards blank so we could use the caffeinated shark. It has a big caffeine symbol, has we're going to need a bigger cup, hashtag bite me and hashtag jawsome. And keep in mind, you can use other sentiments with these stamps, and you can use these stamps with other sentiments and all that jazz. Now, they don't only come in the 3x4. There are 2 sets that are itty bitty 2x3s. They're so cute. This is Caffeinated Crab, hashtag crabby and crabby before caffeine. Super cute, and I think it would be a great one for planners. It's such a sweet small stamp. And the other one, and this one I love, I feel this one on a cellular level. This is Caffeinated Bee. It's got hashtag buzzed, and that is how I feel a lot of mornings. So I love this little bee. I think it's really cute. And if you want to try them out, these are a good size and a good price. Now, we not only have the caffeinated creatures, the Rabbit Hole Designs has these beautiful, sketchy, stylized, retro modern kind of stamps. I really love them. I've got the new release. Oh, before we get into that, let's talk sentiments. I've got 2 sentiment sets here. Now, the first one is called Sassy Sentiments. You could definitely use this with the caffeinated creatures, but you could use this with pretty much anything you've got. These are hilarious. They crack me up so much. We've got, for example, calm down, we can make it look like an accident. Back off Monday, I have glitter and I know how to use it. Chocolate doesn't ask silly questions. Chocolate understands. Every group has that one friend. You're her. And then there are other ones. Miss your face. A good friend bails you out. A best friend is in the same cell with you. Some of these cool meme style sayings, all in a stamp set. We've wanted it for so long. Sassy sentiments for the win. All right, the next one up, this goes with the caffeinated creatures so perfectly. It is perfectly blended. You could use these with anything coffee related that you already have. But it's not just for coffee, it's for tea and chai as well, which makes me super happy. Sentiments include my birthstone is a coffee bean, ready to party, pinky finger up, move oolong, nothing to tea here. Turns out 99 of my personality was coffee. Take life one sip at a time. Use these with the caffeinated creatures, but use them with your other coffee stuff, and use your other coffee stuff with this and the caffeinated creatures. I mean, everybody wins. Now, there is another side to the Rabbit Hole Designs, which is so sweet. These beautiful, almost modern retro designs, they're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. And there are some from the new release here as well. So let me dig these out of the box. I've got elastic bands everywhere. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, let's take that one off. Okay, so from this month's release, we have the beautiful Beach Day. Oh, this set is so gorgeous. You've got a lighthouse, you've got a little girl, you've got a little boy, you've got whales and island and seagulls. You've got whale hello. Hope your birthday is boatloads of fun. You're swell and you're a lifesaver. You can use this for so many things. And these images are just begging to be colored. Are they not? Yes, my go-to is usually Copic markers, but these, I really want to crack out some watercolor painting. They're just so sketchy and naive and gorgeous. I just love them to bits. I think they're really cute. And to go with these, there is also Mermaid Hair. So the sentiment is Mermaid Hair, don't care. This mermaid, she is gorgeous. You've got extra fish. There's a little jellyfish with her. It's super cute. The design team for Rabbit Hole Designs has been doing some gorgeous stuff with these stamps. There are a billion ideas, so definitely go check them out on Instagram if you like them and you want ideas on how to get the most from your sets. Their Instagram account is the place to be for sure. So there's that one. There's also another 3x4 called By the Shore. Very cute, this little girl with a seashell. Shell we meet again, and this too shall pass. We've got bonus clouds in there. Very cute, and I feel like you could use all three of these together because the artist has done an excellent job. The scale is right, and they're just so sweet. They're so sweet. And they're not the only ones. From a previous release, there is Love You More. How cute and coupley is this? It's so adorable. It's got 50s kind of written all over it. I really love it. Sentiments, we've got a scripty love and kiss, and then we also have is in the air. I love you more. Happy Valentine's Day, and you feel like home to me. I love that. There are little houses. Ties into the home thing, little heart balloons and lots of hearts and clouds. It's just so cute. And of course, when you've got love, you've got family. This one is called We Are Family. You've got a mother and daughter. You've got a father with a baby, could be a girl or a boy. We've got a kite and a soccer ball, and you can build your own sentiments in this one. So grateful you are mine. There's mom and dad, and of course with the mom you can change the O to a U. I love you, mum, dad. You've got thank you for loving me. Happy Mother's, Father's Day, best ever. So you can just have best day ever or best Mother's Day ever, all that kind of stuff. It's super cute. Absolutely adore it. And that is all I have for you. It's a fairly small shipment, but that's because this is a brand new company. I am so excited to be their first international stocker. So if you are looking for these adorable sets here in Australia, you can find them at dawnlewis.com.au. There's a quick button on the homepage so you can find them fast. I do hope that you've enjoyed this quick unboxing. I hope you have a very crafty day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.